are home and I'm going to cook it. I actually defrosted it. Oh, it's still frozen. So I will cook tomorrow. I actually put it in the chiller from the freezer just this morning before going to work. So what I'm going to eat is instant noodles. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. It is now 4 minutes to 3 o'clock. And now I'm going to cook the bolognese, not bolognese but the mincemeat, beef mince that I defrosted. Yeah, I have some extra carrots. I like the color. Yeah, it's just milk with carrots. Okay, this is my meal. And it is now 3:40. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. I just got home. Just received this package from Amazon USA, not from Amazon Australia. And this is how it is. Wow, look at that. This is very thin. HDMI 2, HDMI 1, VGA, audio in, out. Comes with this screw and this. It is already 3:15, no, 18, 17 maybe. So I'm going to bring this laptop outside. I will check if it is going to work. Very nice. Let's see how much power it is consuming. Oh, it's still 13.1. Yeah, the base, I'm going to cut it to fit inside here. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's good. But I'm not going to finish it today because I'm very hungry now. Yeah. But look how many monitors I have now. This one, that new one, the television, and the computer monitor. This one is actually coming from the workplace, but it doesn't have a pre-channel. Yeah, it's only for online television. I'm just going to microwave some of this. I'll keep this in the freezer. And this one. But I also want to eat egg. Okay, it's time to eat. So those in the freezer, maybe it will last for up to a month before I eat it again. I'm just not confident enough to share it to anybody. I mean, to share it to Inigo or to Divina or to my landlord. Yeah, I'm not confident enough to share it. Even my family in the Philippines, they never experienced the food that I cook. Never. Yeah. Yeah, I never experienced to cook food for my family, for my father, for my parents, my brother and sister. Yeah, I never cooked. With my housemate, when I was in Dubai, Yeah, I was able to cook some instant noodles. Yeah, those things. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know how to cook Filipino food. I never learned how to cook Filipino food. What I know is cooking the restaurant food, the standard one. Yeah. But those food is not my kind of food. I don't really like. Yeah, I prefer the Filipino food. If there is a restaurant food that I really like, that is risotto. Yeah, I like risotto. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. We are here now at the Porshore, Nelson Bay Porshore, Albura Marina. And yeah, my day off start today. That's why I'm here. I'm relaxing for a little bit. And look at this, there is one yeah, that is the Suzuki APB. Initially, that's the car, the brand that I like, but it's not really available here in Australia. And another thing, that one is a manual, old model. I don't know how to drive manual. Yeah. And another thing, there is the van here that I shown to you before, the Australian Defence Force ambulance. It's actually a camper van. Nice. We're just going to have a walk for a little bit here. The weather is nice today. It is not cold. As you can see, I'm just wearing a shirt. Yeah, even the other people, they are wearing just normal regular t-shirt. But I think it's still okay to wear something for winter. And yeah, it is low tide this time. You can see what is that? Something white. Maybe a garbage, maybe not, I don't know. And there are some people there. There is one guy swimming and there are more people on that side. And like what I've said, the tourists are back. Yeah, there are many tourists on that side. They came from the ferry, the cruise. Actually, I'm going to Bunnings warehouse. Yeah, I'm going to buy something. We are now here in the Bunnings warehouse, and at the moment they are selling sausage and sausage sandwich. Oh, look at this butane tube, just 19.95. Actually, there is the other brand, this one Gasmate, and it's 24.95. What I have is the one from Kmart. I think it's the same. White bread and sausage with onion and your choice of sauce. That guy has something, a bulky box. If that box is not fit on his car, I will approach and I will offer to bring the box, because that box will be fit in here. I have a lot of space. Actually, I'm joking. I don't know if I have the courage to approach people. I have no courage. There's nothing to say. The day she left, okay, we are now here in the house, and yeah, I'm going to do the window cover. This is the one that I bought. I finished the window cover, and it's already 6 o'clock. I actually received a message from Stanley, and he said that today is birthday of Sarah, his wife, and they prepare some food, and they want to give me some food, so I'm going there to pick it up. I am actually very hungry now. If you remember, I eat just the sausage sandwich. And we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, I already came from the house of Stanley and Sarah. And this is the food that they gave me. Yeah, and they also put some Ribisco strawberry sandwich, cracker sandwich. I come here because I have some bottles that I'm going to put in the return and earn, but it's still busy. Still a lot of people. Yeah, wait for them to finish. All the machines are occupied. Oh, look at that. And because I am shy to stay there outside near the machine, wait there. There is a new guy that is just arrived, and a lot of bottles also for him to put there. I will go. I will not be shy, so that I will be the next. Can you imagine I have that Corona? It's not much. Look at that. I got $4.40. 44 pieces. Transfer. Okay, we are home. Oh, there is a cake. Chocolate cake. And there is this. Oh, it smells delicious. Yeah, this is seafood marinara.